Greetings to everybody. Welcome to my video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will look at question 1 of WASSCE 2008 General Mathematics. Question 1. A. You have to solve correct to one decimal place tan theta plus 25 degrees or in bracket is equal to 5.145, where the angle theta is less than or equal to 90 degrees and at greater than or equal to 0 degrees. So let's look at the solution. One A. So given tan theta plus 25 degrees is equal to 5.145. First of all, what to do is that we take the tan inverse of both sides of the equation. So that will give us theta plus 25 degrees is equal to tan inverse of 5.145. Now we take the tan inverse, okay, so we get rid of the tan. You make sure you just want to make theta the subject. We're finding theta, the angle theta. So this will give us theta plus 25 degrees and it's equal to tan inverse of 5.145. So this will give us 79.00 degrees. Okay, so we find theta by making it the subject. So we have theta is equal to 79 minus 25, and this will give us 54.00. Okay, and we have to leave our answer in a one decimal place as the question demands. So therefore we have theta is equal to 54.0. That's one decimal place. So that is question 1. So theta, the angle theta is 54.0 degrees. Now B, we are given that in the relation T is equal to m times root of n square plus 4r. Given this, we have to make n the subject. We have to make n the subject in this relation. So there are so many ways we can go about solving this problem. First of all, we can choose to divide both sides by n first, then, or we can also choose to take the square root of both sides first. So any of these methods will give you the same answer. So what we do is that we will take the square root of both sides. So we have we take the square of both sides. You have t square is equal to m times root of n square plus 4r all square. Now this will give us t square is equal to, take note the square affects the m here, and the square also affects the root sign. So this will give us m square, and the square cancels the root sign, times bracket n square plus 4r. Now we divide both sides by m square. So this will give us t square over m squared is equal to m squared bracket n squared plus 4r all divided by m squared. So m squared cancels m squared. This will give us t squared over m squared is equal to n squared plus 4r. So we make n squared the subject. That should make sure n squared stands at one side of the equation. So we have t squared over m squared minus 4r is equal to n squared. Now we want to make n a subject. We are finding n, we're making n a subject. So we take the root of both sides. We take the square root of both sides. So this will give us root of t squared over m squared minus 4r, which is equal to root of n squared. The square cancels the root sign. So we have therefore n is equal to root square root of t squared minus m squared minus 4r. So that is basically our solution. That is finding making n the subject of the relation. That is what we have. So that is bi and the bii, the bii. We are given some values of t, r, and m, and we are to find the value of n given these values. We are given that when t is equal to 25, m is equal to 5, and r is equal to 4, we have to find the value of n. So simply we just substitute the values of n into our relation. N is equal to root of t squared over m squared minus 4r. So let's do that. We have n is equal to root of t squared, but our t is giving us 25. So we have 25 squared divided by m. Our m is 5, so we have 5 squared minus 4r. Our r is 4. We simplify this so that we have 25 square. 25 square will give us take on the same as 25 times 25. That's 25 squared times 5 square is 25. Okay, so that you can clearly see that 25 cancel 25. 4 times 4 is 16. 25 cancel 25. So that we will have n is equal to, here we have 25 cancel 25, so we have just cancel that. So we have root of 25 minus 16, which will give us root of 9. So n is equal to root of 9. That is n is equal to plus or minus 3. But we are given that n is a positive value. Okay, so we have to ignore the minus. So we write that therefore n is equal to 3. That is it. So that is our answer. That is n is equal to 3 when t is equal to 25, m is equal to 5, and r is equal to 4. So that is it for question 1 of WASSCE 2008 General Mathematics, which is basically on the first part is on trigonometry and the B part is on relations. Thank you. See you in our next tutorial. Bye.